Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So, the Earth's average atmospheric pressure can be estimated with this formula. As you can see right here, so we've got 1 atmosphere is equal to 101 kPa approximately. And then we've got the multiplication of the elevation to the power of 5.256. Using this formula, we're gonna plug and play the elevations of Atlanta, Denver, Mexico City, and Mount Everest. Z is the elevation, and it is in kilometers. And we want to find the atmospheric pressure in kPa, kilopascals. So they've given us the elevation in meters, so that means we need to divide by 1,000. So step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. So just draw all the places. I just use shapes, and each shape represents the elevations. So step 2, list all the given values. So they give us the elevations in meters. Keep that in mind. We need to divide them by 1,000. And we want to find the atmospheric pressure in kPa for all these elevations. Step 3, find the atmospheric pressure for Atlanta. So it's just plug and play, but just remember to divide by 1,000 for your elevation. So 306 divided by 1,000. That'll be 0.306, and the atmospheric pressure for Atlanta is 97.702 kPa. So it's the same process for all of the other places. So we're just going to plug in the elevation. Make sure you divide by 1,000. So the atmospheric pressure for Denver is 83.419 kPa. The atmospheric pressure for Mexico City is 76.49 kPa. And Mount Everest, the atmospheric pressure is 31.439 kPa. Disclaimers, the method is correct. However, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using the snipping tool. If you're on Mac, you can use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. For those that have never used snipping tool before, just follow these instructions. So click on your snipping tool icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go into your Windows search, type in snipping tool, click on that icon. Once you have it open, click on video option, click on new, then left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Then click the start button on the snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Then hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Then hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording. Then save your video as normal. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share it with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.